Hello all, welcome to Narod Masters Academy, our daily current affairs including GS and GK. The first question, which day is observed as International Tiger Day every year? The options are, and the correct answer is 29th July. International Tigers Day observed on 29th July since 2010, raising public awareness about threats faced by tiger due to illegal hunting and habitat destructions. The day oriented no, sorry, the day originated from an international summit in including India, St. Petersburg, Russia in 2010, attended by 13 countries with significant tiger populations. The second question. Recently, which country secured their first Women's Asian Cup title? The options are, and the correct one is Sri Lanka. The host Sri Lanka women's cricket team won their Maidan Women's Cricket Asia Cup, upsetting the defending champion Indian team. In the final of the ninth Women's Cricket Asia Cup held on 28 July 2024 at Rangiri Dambulla International Stadium at Dumbula, Sri Lanka, the hosts defeated India by 8 wickets with 8 balls to spare. The next question. Recently, who became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal in shooting with a bronze at Paris? The options are, and the correct one is Manu Bhaskar. Manu Bhaskar of Haryana opened India's medal account at 33rd Summer Olympic in Paris, winning a bronze in the 110-meter air pistol event on July 28, 2024. She became the first Indian woman shooter to win an Olympic medal in shooting. The next one. What is the main objective of Integrated Disease Surveillance Program? Recently seen in news. The options were, and the correct one is to strengthen and maintain a decentralized library based on IT-enabled disease surveillance system. In the past year, 1,862 disease outbreaks were reported to the Integrated Disease Surveillance Program, with Kerala recording the highest number. The IDSP launched in November 2004 with World Bank assistance is a decentralized state-based program by India's Minister of Health and Welfare Minister. The next one, which Southeast Asian country has recently released a special stamp set that includes stamps on Lord Rama of Ayodhya? The options were, the correct answer is Laos. During this visit to Vietnam, Laos from 25th to 27 July 24, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar unveiled the first postage stamp of Ram Lala of Ayodhya. The next question. What is the outlay of the Anusandhan National Research Foundation Bill 2023? The options were, and the correct answer is rupees 50,000 crores. The Anusandhan National Research Foundation Bill NRF 2023 was introduced in Lok Sabha recently. The NRF bill will given the green light by the Union Cabinet with a budget of 50,000 crores for upcoming 5 years. Next one. Point Carlimere Bird Sanctuary is located with which of the following states? The options, and the correct one is Tamil Nadu. Point Carlimere Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary is situated in the state of Tamil Nadu and it was created in year 1967 of the conservation of the endemic mammal species of India, blackbuck antelope. Next one. Fish meal is widely used as which among the following? The options were, the correct one is organic fertilizer. Fish meal is made from fish that are not suitable for human consumption. It is used to feed farm animals. It also a nutrients-rich organic fertilizers with a NPK ratio of 10 to 2 to 2. Next one. When is World Physiotherapy Day observed every day or every year? Sorry. When is World Physiotherapy Day observed every year? The options, and the correct one is September 8th. Every year, 8th of September is observed as World Physiotherapy Day. The theme of World PD Day 2023 is Artist and Role of Physiotherapist. In 2023, the day had a special focus on arthritis with an in-depth look of some forms of inflammatory arthritis, including rheumatoid arthritis and axial spondyloarthritis. How many numbers of biogeographic zones are present in India? The number are 10 number. The biospheric zones are Trans-Himalaya Zone, Himalayan Zone, Desert Zone, Semi-Arid Zone, Western Ghat Zone, Deccan Plateau, Gangetic Plain, Northeast Coastal Zone, islands present near the shoreline. Silent Valley is situated in which of the following states? Silent Valley is situated in the state of Kerala. Dora, a tropical storm Zerm has recently hit the regions of Hawaii. The tropical storm rig has reached near Hawaii state of the United States, which is already reeling under the devastating impact of wildfire. Hurricane Dora created high gusty winds over Maui recently and complicated the world wildfire problem. It also became a typhoon and it was the second tropical system on recording remaining hurricane strength across the eastern, central, as well as western Pacific basin. Shumai Lake, which was seen in news, is located in which state? It is located in Meghalaya. Meghalaya has adopted artificial intelligence enabled robotic technology to keep its Shumai Lake clean.